In this video, we're going to do a more difficult completing the square. We can tell already because it's going to be x squared plus 3x, and 3 divided by 2 is 3 halves, so that doesn't divide out cleanly. We're going to need to add 3 halves squared, or 9/4 to both sides of this equation. Ooh, there's a 9/4 right there. You know what? Well, that 9/4 may be there, but I always follow the process and just say, hey, I gotta add 9/4 to both sides. I need to subtract 9/4 from both sides. And then we're going to take the y bits of it. So this is y squared plus 5y, so 5 divided by 2, or 5 halves. And then we square 5 halves and get 25 over 4, so I add 25 over 4 to both sides. Okay, let's see here. So for the x, we had x squared plus 3x plus 9 over 4. Although this is really x squared plus 2 times 3 over 2 x plus 3 over 2 squared, right? Which is x plus 3 over 2 squared. And for the y, we had y squared plus 5y plus 25 over 4. But this is really y squared plus 2 times 5 over 2 y plus 5 over 2 squared, or y plus 5 over 2 squared. And all of that was equal to, so this is 9/4 minus 9/4 plus 25 over 4. 25 over 4. All of this was equal to 25 over 4. Okay, now let's take a look here. The center is going to be at -3 halves, -5 halves, and the radius is the square root of 25 over the square root of 4, or 5 halves. So that's our equation for the circle, and we had these two tricky completing the squares to get through. But again, we just divided each by 2 and then squared it, divided it by 2 and then squared it, and we were able to go ahead and complete the square twice. That's it for circles. I'll see you next time.